Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MAINGEAR Ultima 18, the Ultima 18-inch 4K gaming laptops. So friend, the MAINGEAR has announced the premium quality high performance gaming PC, the most powerful laptop to the date. So friend, the laptop is powered by Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 mobile GPU and all inside a sleek chassis outfitted with metal lid and palm rails. So friends, they're designed for elite gamers and creators who demand top tier performance without compromise. And Ultima 18 is the main gear first laptop to support modern dual channel DDR5 memory, PCI Generation 5 SSD and dual Thunderbolt 5 port and Wi-Fi 7. And the screen is 18-inch 4K with 200Hz refresh rate and 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut and G-Sync support and 16:10 aspect ratio. And Ultima 18 offer both vibrant color and lightning fast refresh rate for fluid gameplay and pro-grade content creation with a display response time of less than 7 milliseconds and every action-packed gaming scene in sharp, fast and gear-free. So friend, the storage and the memory option. Memory is up to 192 GB of DDR5 memory and 4 M.2 NVMe SSD slot, including PCI Generation 5 from Samsung. And the connectivity features including dual Thunderbolt 5 port, HDMI 2.1, USB-A with power delivery output, microSD card reader, dual 2.5 Gb LAN, and next generation Wi-Fi 7. And the Ultima 18 is powered by 98 watt-hour battery and is equipped with compact and new 330 watt charger that is not only powerful but backplate friendly. So friend, the audio is powered by Sound Blaster Studio Pro 2 and 5 megapixel Windows Hello camera with IR round out of the premium feature set tailored for serious gamers. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.